The Toronto real estate market is finding its groove again, and I've got COVID here. My name is Jeff Grace. I'm with the Grace Real Estate team at Remax Hallmark here in Toronto. And this is the third video in my market update series about the Toronto real estate market and COVID and where we are and where we're going. So let me shrink myself down here and show you this chart provided to us by Broker Bay, which is a great software company that manages all of the bookings of the showings on our listings, both through our team, our brokerage, and about 50 of the top brokerages in the city of Toronto. So this data is really indicative of what's happening across the entire city right now. What you see is in February and early March, we had lots of activity. And these spikes and these lows represents Fridays and Sundays, which in the real estate industry are the highs and lows day for showing. What you see is in the peak here, we had 10,000, 11,500 showings. And right here, our showing activity dropped like a rock. Now, if you want to understand why, check out one of my earlier videos because I went into great detail. What I want to focus on today is that we reached the new lows and we're starting to come back. And this increase is exponentially growing higher and higher. And when we zoom in on this area here, you can really see that the weekly highs are growing, as are the lows, except this past Sunday, which was Mother's Day, which traditionally always has a low amount of showings. What I also want to point out is that at 4,400 showings, if we take the low, the peak was 1,500 showings. We see about 3 times more showings than we were at the beginning of April. And when we look in the hot part of the market pre-COVID, the weekly lows were about 4,400. So our highs are starting to reach back into the pre-COVID levels, which is a great signal. When we go this week of May versus the same week of April, so a month ago, we're seeing that showing activity is up 2.5 times. And if we look at week over week inside of May, we're seeing that showing activity is up 26%. So this is all great news for someone looking to sell their property. And even if you're looking to buy a property, to show you the confidence is there and the market is coming back. I think we've reached the lows of our prices. And I think moving forward, we're going to see the prices stabilize and probably start to grow. How quickly and when exactly, we're not sure. But now is basically the time that if you're looking to buy or sell a house in Toronto, we should be having a conversation. If you're looking to buy, we should be getting you pre-qualified and looking for deals before those deals expire. And if you're looking to sell, we should look at your property and whether it makes sense to put it on MLS now or wait a little bit longer until we see that activity increase even more so. Generally, the lower priced properties can hit the market now and they're still being absorbed quite well. Where if you're on the higher end of the property range, you probably want to wait a little bit longer to see that buyer activity come back. Again, my name is Jeff Grace with the Grace Real Estate team in Toronto. If you have any questions, hit up our website at gracehomes.com. Have a great day.